This is our 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige Class C motorhome. It's on a Ford chassis. This unit is just 32 feet long and has 2 slide rooms. As you'll notice on the driver's side, there's a cutout for the living room slide located here. Looking at the rear side of the RV, right up here at the top is a little backup camera. There's a standard 2-inch hitch and a ladder for roof access. But please, always be careful if you ever get on the roof. Here is the passenger side. You'll notice a lot of little compartments for storage on this side. And here's the cutout for the rear slide room for the bedroom and the bunks. The electric awning is mounted up front, but unfortunately we do not allow our customers to use the awnings. An upgraded feature on this newer model, it has cameras on the side mirrors, so when you use the blinkers, you'll notice the video cameras come on in the dash. Okay, so let's go inside and take a look around. When you open the door, it does have automatic steps. As I mentioned before, this is the Prestige model. It's very nice inside. The wood and the colors are gorgeous. The slides are currently in as we start the interior walkthrough. Something I really like about this particular unit is that it has an overhead cab window to look out of. So the kids love this feature, and if you're comfortable with having the kids up there, they can be looking at all the scenery as you're driving. Surprisingly, you don't see this on many models anymore. Standard Ford E450 cockpit and driving area. It is a little tight trying to get through to the driver and passenger seat, so it's nice that it has the doors. Also comes equipped with a touchscreen stereo display with all of the extra features. Here is the hydraulic dinette that folds down into a twin bed. The jackknife sofa, which lays down into a flat bed, is located right behind the driver's seat. Here is the standard RV kitchen. It has a full-size microwave, a 3-burner gas propane stovetop, a standard RV oven, and a sink. A standard RV freezer and fridge that runs off of propane and electric. Heading to the back now with the slides still closed, you'll see the bunks on the left and the bedroom to the rear. Okay, now we have put our slides out and everything is open. Just in the living room, it adds an extra 2 to 3 feet of space. It's great to spread your legs out, more aisleway space, plenty of room to entertain and hang out as you are enjoying your trip. Okay, let's check out the back area. With the rear slide room out, we now have access to the bunk beds. They are 6-foot long bunks. You'll notice they have full-size TVs in each one of the bunk beds. Another flat-screen TV mounted in the back bedroom for your convenience. A queen-size bed. And plenty of cabinet space and an armoire to hang up your clothes. And last but not least, here is the RV bathroom, a standard RV toilet, a small vanity sink, a mirror, and stand-up shower with sliding glass door. So now going all the way back to the bedroom, we'll take a walk all the way to the front so you can see all the space that this RV has with the 2 slide rooms pushed out. And this will conclude our video of the 2018 Jayco Greyhawk Prestige Class C motorhome. Thanks so much for watching.